There's a lot going on out there, and we need to stay updated. I know I also get super disorganized when I try to keep track of things. That's what New News is for. It's a Chrome extension in which we can consolidate our favorite sites with a recommendation engine to suggest to us our next piece. Let's dive into how the developers of New News created this.
Hi, my name is Alan, and these are my teammates, Shan and Girish. We are not fake news, we are New News, your next and last news aggregator. Every day, there are thousands of news articles written about all sorts of topics. Who's in the lead in the wild card for the NL East? Which team is going to give Melo one last stand? Our commander-in-chief just tweeted, what? It can become very tedious going to your news sites, looking for articles that pique your interest, reading said articles, and then repeating this process for all your favorite news sites. Our web application takes care of that for you, saving you time in the morning, during your lunch break, or whenever you're trying to catch up on the latest news, getting you informed faster so you can get back to your regular day. Now, I'll hand it off to Girish, who will demonstrate how New News is used.
Thank you, Alan. When you first log into New News, using your email address and secure password, you'll be directed to your feed where it consists of articles from your favorite websites and topics of interest. You can browse our homepage to catch up with the latest news. Our state-of-the-art algorithm not only scrapes articles from your favorite websites, but also categorizes them. Let's say the presidential race is getting heated, and you only want to look at political news. Then you can filter your feed based on the categories. Now, the currently logged in user is only subscribed to HuffPost and NPR. Let's say the user wants to add BBC News to the mix. We'll build a Chrome extension for that purpose. It's as simple as clicking a button. And next time you log in, you will have articles from BBC News in your feed as well. If you want to read more about an article, then you simply click on it and it will render on the same website. On the bottom of the page, you can also find articles related to the same topic, but our algorithm will recommend based on keywords. Now, I'm going to hand it over to Shan, who's going to talk about our tech stack.
Thanks, Girish. For a web app New News, we decided to build upon the reliable node stack. For our backend, we decided to use Express, Postgres, and SQLize. For front end, we decided to use React and Redux. We use React on our front end so the page will render dynamically according to users' interests and respond to users' input. Redux gives us one store, also known as a single source of truth amongst all of the websites we currently support. There's also a sprinkle of semantic UI to make it look pretty. To collect all the data we need, we use Gero and Puppeteer to scale the web for the latest articles at a scheduled interval implemented by Chrome. Now, Alan will talk about the technical challenge we have faced.
Thank you, Shan. One challenge that we faced was web scraping. Even though we're grabbing the same data from every website, each site has different HTML structure, so there was a lot of upfront labor creating different functions for each site. The next challenge was creating a Chrome extension that worked in sync with our web app, keeping track of which users are logged in and interacting with our database. The biggest hurdle, however, was building our recommendation from the ground up and categorizing every article that we grabbed. With the combination of regex and manipulation of the URLs, we're able to give every reader a tailored news experience. If you guys like what you see, feel free to check us out on GitHub and Heroku. Reporting live from Full Stack Academy, this is New News. Thank you.
I definitely need a news aggregator like this. One of the coolest things about this is the web scraping portion of it. Web scraping, as they said, wasn't easy because each site has a different HTML structure. But they were able to overcome this and have a nice suite of sites to scrape from. I know this will be one of my go-to sites. This concludes the New News demo. Thank you for the demo, and of course, to the audience out there, check them out and stay up to date with new news.